Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to St. Gabriel, Louisiana, one of the oldest continuously settled areas along the Mississippi River. St. Gabriel is a small city in Iberville Parish, located just south of Baton Rouge on the river's west bank. Its history reaches back to the earliest days of European settlement in Louisiana. St. Gabriel began as a French colonial outpost. In 1779, Fort San Gabriel was established here by Spanish authorities after Louisiana came under Spanish control. The fort was built to protect river traffic and maintain order along this strategic stretch of the Mississippi. Though the fort no longer exists, the town that grew around it carries its name and legacy. During the 18th and 19th centuries, St. Gabriel became part of a plantation-based agricultural economy. Sugarcane thrived in the rich river soil, and plantations dominated the surrounding landscape. Like much of southern Louisiana, this system depended on enslaved labor prior to the Civil War, a reality that deeply shaped the population and culture of the area. The Mississippi River was central to daily life. It served as the primary transportation route for crops, supplies, and people, linking St. Gabriel to Baton Rouge and New Orleans. River landings, warehouses, and small settlements developed nearby, making this area an active part of Louisiana's early economy. The Civil War brought disruption, though no major battles were fought directly in St. Gabriel. Union control of the Mississippi River affected trade and movement, and the local economy struggled in the years following the war. Recovery was slow, and many plantations were broken up or repurposed over time. Flooding remained a constant challenge. The Great Mississippi Flood of 1927 had a major impact on Iberville Parish, including St. Gabriel. In response, levee systems were expanded and reinforced, reshaping how the town interacted with the river. Today, those levees remain a defining feature of the landscape. In the 20th century, St. Gabriel became part of Louisiana's industrial corridor. Chemical plants and manufacturing facilities were built nearby, drawn by river access and transportation infrastructure. These developments brought jobs and economic stability while also changing the area's visual and environmental character. As we travel through St. Gabriel today, you'll see a blend of historic neighborhoods, schools, churches, and modern infrastructure. It's a quiet community, shaped by centuries of adaptation to changing economic forces, natural challenges, and regional growth.
Thanks for watching!